Welcome back, and congratulations to all of you for reaching to the final section of this course. In this section, we are going to look at a number of questions that cut across all the topics that we learned previously. And these questions are similar to the questions comes in exam, right? Let's look at the first example question. First example question is a proof. We have to prove tan x minus sin x cos x equivalent to sin squared x tan x. In order to show this proof, I'm going to say this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay, so this is a proof, so we need to know the identities. The first identity is tan x sin x over cos x. Sin squared x plus cos squared x equal 1. To solve our question, I need to make sin squared x subject. So sin squared x is nothing but 1 minus cos squared x. So remember this one, we will use this one when we prove our question. Okay, let's come back to the questions. So let's start from left hand side. Left hand side says that tan x minus sin x cos x. Tan x, using our first identity, tan x is sin x over cos x minus sin x cos x. So it's divided by 1. I'm going to take a common denominator cos x. If I take cos x as a common denominator, the sin x will stay as sin x, but we need to multiply this by cos x. That would give you sin x cos x times cos x. Therefore, this is equal to sin x cos squared x. In the numerator, we can take sin x as a common factor. So if we take common factor outside, we will get 1 minus cos squared x divided by cos x. Now, as I said before, from our second identity, this 1 minus cos squared x equal to sin squared x. Okay. From the first identity, sin x over cos x is tan x. So we can write this is equal to tan x times sin squared x. And this is equivalent to right hand side of our equation. So we have successfully completed the proof. Very good. And thank you. And please move on to next video.